If you are running a business, then ignoring your competition cannot be an option because understanding what is working well for them and why could be of great advantage. In this video, we are going to see how we can do a competitor analysis on Instagram. If you are a beauty and skincare brand, you might be interested into what product tutorials or before after pictures are doing well for them. If you are into fitness, you could be interested into what workout routines or motivational quotes are doing well, or maybe in the travel agency, what destinations are getting popular. For hospitality, what kind of videos are doing well. But here is the challenge. Can you go through all your competitor profiles on a daily basis and look out for their latest post, how they are performing? Maybe not. That's why I have built an automation that can do this for you. You provide it with a list of competitor profiles. It goes through each one of them, scrapes their latest post, finds their engagement metrics, and decides whether you should be looking deep into the post or not. This saves you n number of hours based on the size of your business and how many competitors do you really want to analyze. After finding out which posts are doing well for your competitors, you should be looking after these main metrics. First, the hashtags and the keywords they have used. Second, how they have formulated the description that it is getting boosted by the algorithm. And third, and the most important one, what is the post? How they have created it? Is it a graphic? What are the styling they have used? Is it a video? What angles and overall structure of the video is doing well? In this video, we are going to take an example for an e-commerce brand that wants to analyze what are the products that are doing well for their competitor based on the engagement metrics. If you are new here, hi, my name is motivational and welcome to the 17th automation of our 100 automation series at Rohini AI, where we build custom workflows and AI agents for businesses that run on autopilot. If you are a business who wants to integrate AI into their operations, then watch till the end for more details. Let's dive in. So this is the wonderful automation I'm talking about. There are several modules, but don't worry, you don't have to come here at this sequence every time. We will build a personalized dashboard for you that you will be operating on a daily basis. Let me walk you through the modules. The very first is a Google Sheet in this example that stores the list of competitor profiles that we want to evaluate. And then the second module is setting up some variables, which are the number of posts that we want to scrape from the top. And in this case, we are actually considering the pinned post as well, but of course we can set it to false if required. And then we are also having a variable of minimum likes. I'll talk about it more later on. Let me also run this automation while we go through rest of the modules. This third module pair is then finding out more information about the profile, like their profile picture or follower count and other metrics. This fourth module pair is then finding and scraping the top 10 posts in this example to be considered for evaluating whether it has gone viral or not. Right now, I am just storing all these posts in the Google Sheet. Let me also show you what are the information that we are storing. It's the profile, follower count, the post URL, and the corresponding timestamp, number of likes, comments, and the hashtags they have used in this post. In practical use case, we can also set up a filter or maybe multiple filters over here. The first one could be to consider the number of minimum likes, otherwise we don't really just want to scrape all the posts from their profile. A second metric could be the ratio of the like to follower count of the profile, because if they are having 1000 likes on a profile having 45,000 followers, then it really doesn't make any sense. So let me show you the output. These are the top 10 posts scraped from this profile. Let's also open up the profile real quick and we can see that these are the number of comments. Oh, this one got viral. So this is the entry that we should be looking for. Considering a 11,000 follower count, 2200 likes is something. So this is the profile. Let me just open up what post is it. So if you are into this business and this is your competitor profile, then this is the post that worked well for them. How was it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Mohit Minal, and over the past 7 years, I have invested myself into building IT and business skill sets. When I was doing my computer science, I did 15 plus full stack web development projects, 10 plus Flutter application projects, Then I worked as an IT consultant at United Nations for a year. Then I did my formal education in bridging the gap between IT and businesses from VU Vienna, where I started my AI automation agency at Rohini AI. After developing 30 plus AI tools, now we build custom AI solutions for businesses. What makes us different? First, familiarity with the business processes and applications. Second, we build tailored AI solutions that are specifically designed for your business needs. We merge code with no code to bring the best out of tech. And third, and the most important point, a developer who speaks business and really cares about your business. You can check out my LinkedIn, where I post AI insights on a daily basis. And if you want to leverage my experience to integrate AI into your business operations, then check out our website and book a discovery call with me. See you on the other side.